Hey family, so today we'll be making Ayaraya Oka. This is a native delicacy in Enugu State, Nsukka precisely. Most people call it corn jollof because it is made with beans and mashed corn. So pay close attention for you to get a full recipe, and everything I use here is on the description box. So if you don't understand anything, make sure to drop your questions and I'll answer them. Check our description box to see the full recipe. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. So you need to put your beans on the fire. Make sure you bombard it first to get out all the black toxin from the beans. After then, I have to water my corn and add little palm oil to it, and I will tie it in a nylon, then place it on top of the already washed beans, and I'm going to cook this thing for as long as the beans get soft. Next thing is to slice your pepper, onions. We are going to use oba, yeah. After then, we are going to grind everything. Like, you don't need to grind your oba. All you have to grind is your pepper, onion, and tomato if you want to add them. You can also add locust beans, okpei, and suka if you want, because it give it that taste, that heavenly taste. After then, you have to slice your vegetables. I'll be using this garden leaf. You can use spinach if you have them, but most people use bitter leaf. But me, I'm using this one because I like how it look fresh after I'm done doing. After then, I have to add my oil on the pan, add all the onion, the pepper, and other ingredients to it. You will not like to add too much water to it so that it won't be without watering, right? So after then, you have placed it on a low heat. Then you add your already cooked beans and corn into this mix, and you have to mix it very well. Like, after you have done doing this, the taste, make sure you add your cubes and your pepper and your salt. My god, the taste of this thing is so good that even if you're not from Osaka, you can try out this recipe, because my god, this thing is something that is, in fact, I don't think it should be from Osaka to make this recipe. No, this thing is very good because of how healthy it is and how nourishing this meal is. So, are you saying, do you like what you see? Try out the recipe and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.